Touch him? He's gonna buck me. I just want to smack him in the ass and get out of here.
He's about to bite the shit out of you.
He really is about to bite the shit out
I'm
of
gonna have to call Hal down here.
Hold on. Get his face. Face.
Get him.
Ouais, fais la rate comme un oui. Oui. Bah oui, oui. Fais
Take his word. Not a good idea. Not as cool as I thought.